There's two risks and one alternative to letting your peppers change color and fully ripen on the plant. When you grow peppers, they all start out green, but once they reach mature size, given sunny, warm weather, and 2 to 3 weeks, they'll start to change color. Most of them are going to be a yellow, an orange, some purples, or even red like this Serrano pepper here. Letting peppers ripen enhances their flavor. So for instance, this Serrano will be less acidic and have a more robust flavor, which I really like. Letting peppers mature on the plant does pose two big risks though, and fortunately there is an alternative to get the same result. The first risk is time. Basically, once your pepper matures, you're on the clock to harvest it. If you wait too long, it'll eventually overripen and get mealy and gross, and it'll also signal to the plant to produce less. The other risk is a pretty common one. It gives animals more time to eat your harvest. So you have to stay pretty vigilant to be able to harvest and enjoy a plant-ripened pepper. But there's an alternative. Instead, just harvest them when they start to change color. So as you can see on this one, there's a little bit of red and some green. And on this one, you can see some lighter red still going towards that darker red that you see at the top of the pepper. When you harvest them half ripe, it reduces that risk of time and pests. And if you just wait about a week, maybe two, they'll eventually fully ripen and give you that full, robust pepper flavor.